BioLector XT software allows a multi-user and multi-device environment. To add new devices to your BioLector XT software, go to the Device Management, which can be found in the Devices menu. Select New and enter the device's IP address. Click somewhere on the screen to confirm the input. If the connection was properly set up, the device will automatically connect. The hardware configuration of any device can be viewed under the respective drop-down area. Installed filter modules can also be viewed here. An alternative to manual addition of a new device is the Discovered Devices functionality. Select the button to see a list of all BioLector XT devices integrated into the same network. Add BioLector devices by clicking Save, which will add these to the devices list in the menu ribbon. You may optionally assign the device a custom name. If desired, perform a backup of the device configuration by selecting Backup Configuration. Choose the path to save the file to. It's recommended that you do this prior to a backup or repair. In case it's required, get the device's log files by selecting Download Log Files and saving them to the chosen directory. These might be useful in case of service or support incidents. To delete devices from the list, select that device and click Delete.